Helo a chroeso I Beacons Cymru Summit.
Hello and welcome to Beacons Cymru Summit.
Summit is a great space for young people to come and network just because there's such a range of different people coming from West Wales, people from Bristol, London, South Wales, all across, all just coming into this one spot, ready to share, talk, collaborate.
I think events like Summit are really important, not only for individuals to gain a unique insight into stuff, which is honestly invaluable, but it's also really important to recognise that there's this brilliant group of creatives in Wales, and having them all in one room is really awesome.
I think the value of events like this is just seeing young people get involved with organisations. Beacons as a company always learns from the people they work with and the people who show up to their events, so they're always keen on developing things like this so people are getting the most out of it.
My name is Silvia, I am a singer-songwriter and I come from Italy, Rome specifically. I make alternative rock. I already knew some of the artists that were hosted today in the panels, and when it popped up I just thought, okay, it's a sign, I'm going. I just wanted to explore a different reality.
One of the main things I've taken away from today, especially in the A&R session, was really just put yourself out there, put your music out there, because you never know who's listening. There is always someone for your genre. Even if you think it's not ready or it's not for any listeners, there's going to be someone. So yeah, definitely put your music out there.
I was lucky enough to get my music played on the A&R, and I got some really helpful feedback from the people doing the talk. They kind of spoke about how I can utilise other platforms and things. It was really cool to not only hear my own music, but there are so many other brilliant tracks from young people all across the country, really.
I loved having the chance to submitting my demo and having really valuable feedback. I would love to come to Summit again, just to experience all of this again and have the chance to connect with people who are just as passionate with music as I am.
I'll definitely be coming to Summit again because when I first came here I didn't really know where to start. But being here for a few hours now, I know roughly what's going on and I see all these different people. The more I put myself into these sorts of events, the more connections I can get. And if you make those connections, you pave the way then for future opportunities.